Welcome to Over 55. I'm Ron McNish, the Executive Director of Over 55 and the host of this new informative TV show for boomers and beyond. In partnership with Rogers TV, our show presents valuable information to older adults, those who are retired, or those who are just thinking about it. Up first on today's show is a bio of a local Londoner, Dr. Shanthi Radcliffe, a health educator.
Hello, I'm Shanthi Radcliffe. I'm now retired, but when I worked, I was a health educator and a health administrator. I spent a lot of my life traveling in Africa and in Asia and in North America, and we ended up in Canada, where I found an interest in the health of people who did not have as ready access to care as some of the rest of us. And not many people believed that we could make something of it. The political atmosphere was good in the sense that people were interested, but actually forming an institution that would take care of people who had extra needs, special needs, was something that a lot of people didn't believe in, believed would happen. But it did, and we formed a very flourishing institution, the Intercommunity Health Center, which is with us to this day, now with a staff of over 70 people. And I've been very fortunate in that respect, because with all the traveling that we have done, we always found that we had people to admire, people to look up to. And I would start with my parents, who 70 years ago felt that women were entitled to a good education just like men. That wasn't very common in the time. So I had the advantage of having an excellent education, and then in the traveling that I did, there were always people to admire. And then when I got into Canada, probably I met the most admirable of them all, especially the immigrants who were coming in, who had led lives that were unbelievable and had met them and mastered their circumstances. I would say get yourself an education, because nothing happens without an education. That's number one. Secondly, don't go with something that you're not interested in because you think it will buy you a career. You're not going to have a good career unless you're interested in what you're doing. I think when they said to me, the best is yet to be, when I retired, that's absolutely true. I was fulfilled at work, yes, but I think what I'm finding now is that I can do all those things that I had no time to do before, and that is amazing.